Liaoning Smile Technology Co Limited is a professional precision sheet metal manufacturer integrating R&D, design, production, and sales of various cabinets, chassis, and other products. The company has a complete set of welding machine, processing lines such as Italian fiber laser cutting machine, Taiwan Taili Fu CNC high-speed hydraulic press, Switzerland Bystronic ultra-power fiber laser cutting machine, Switzerland Bystronic CNC bending machine, Qiaofeng vertical machining center, OTC welding and other welding machines. Its equipment. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, which enables us to accept OEM, ODM, OBM projects. At present, the company has 12 professional and technical personnel responsible for design and development and 179 employees with rich experience and strong operation ability. The company's target annual production capacity is 200 million yuan. The company is committed to research and development, design, production, and sales. Excellent manufacturer of various industrial appliances, electrical control boxes and factory service, network cabinet series, consoles, storage, supermarket lockers. Products are exported to over 50 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, Italy, Australia, Brazil, the Middle East, and South Africa. The company is committed to the sheet metal processing industry with advanced technology, first-class quality, and excellent service, and wholeheartedly works with all sectors of society to create a better future. We look forward to more cooperation with you.